Good morning. It's Lydia Doherty. Here's the mandala, number 1. Well, good morning. I just wanted to let you know I have to frog this morning, which is why I'm wearing the artist hat. Because what artist doesn't have to repaint their canvas at least once, maybe twice. So when we crochet and we knit, we also have to frog. And the French hat goes with frogging because we're called French. And our nickname is Frog Legs. Anyways, just for fun, I wanted to show you on my ball winder how I'm going to unravel the 2 rows I have to take out and redo because I didn't put the lace on right in the right places. My markers had too many of them. So here we go. This is the fastest way to unravel and keep your yarn from getting into a big old mess of a ball, which started doing that as I started finding the end with my darning needle and pulling out the tight ends that I had done, thinking it was done and good to go. But as I double checked and triple checked, things didn't add up. So here we are, back to the drawing board. give my arm a rest. This is a striped Christmas hat I made, and I made a pom-pom. It's my first pom-pom. I didn't trim it. Anyways, using stripes calls for color work. Color work can be done using yarns that are stabilized in a container where you can pull from and keep the unraveling from happening. You know what this is. This is going to be for the Celtic knot that I have a pattern for and seen a tutorial on, and required measurements will be 80 stitches long, or 80 inches long I should say. Sorry, 80 inches long, using two different kinds of yarns. One is a little sparkly and one is just your regular plain color. And hopefully I'll get those done to go with the mandalas, the leg warmers, the fingerless gloves, and the headbands. Now I'm going to show you also. I made a crown. I glued down the flower that I put on here and held it on with the clip. I don't know if you can see it. It'd be so cute. There you go. Now I got two of those. That's two 5-year-olds. There we go. Just some extra pieces of jewelry that come in special little treasure hunts that I unpacked. And for now, I wanted to also share with you something that speed knitters like to have. Yeah, and wear a belt around your waist, and then you have your little bag for your yarn, and then you have your hook so you can put your project end on, keep it from dragging on the ground when you're walking and knitting. Like in the old times, they used to walk to school knitting and walk home knitting. This was their knitting fun. They would have something to put their needle in. And this is the one with the hole on this side. So you wear that and you knit as fast as you can, all the way home. We'll talk to you again soon. I just want to wish you a happy weekend, and thanks to all for the lovely tutorials. Okay, bye-bye.